Blended families are a beautiful testament to love, resilience, and second chances. But when it comes to estate planning, they can present unique challenges. How do you ensure your wishes are respected, your loved ones are cared for, and potential conflicts are avoided? This video is your roadmap to crafting a comprehensive estate plan tailored specifically for blended families. We'll explore how to navigate the complexities of stepchildren, ex-spouses, and asset distribution while prioritizing fairness, transparency, and family harmony. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your family's future is secure, no matter how complex the dynamics. Whether you're looking to protect your spouse, provide for children from previous relationships, or ensure everyone feels valued, this video will guide you every step of the way. Let's create an estate plan that reflects your unique family story, builds trust, and preserves your legacy. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Overview of essential estate planning documents: wills, trusts, powers of attorney, etc. Estate planning is crucial for individuals in blended families to ensure that their assets are distributed according to their wishes and to protect their loved ones in the event of incapacity or death. The following are essential estate planning documents that individuals in blended families should consider. Last will and testament. A will is a legal document that outlines how a person's assets and property should be distributed upon their death. In a blended family, a will allows individuals to specify how assets should be divided between their biological children, stepchildren, and spouse. Without a will, state laws will determine how assets are distributed, which may not align with the individual's wishes. 2. Trusts. Trusts are legal arrangements that allow a person, the truster, to transfer assets to a trustee for the benefit of beneficiaries. Trusts can be useful in blended families to provide for children from previous relationships, while also ensuring that a surviving spouse is taken care of. Trusts can help avoid probate and provide more control over how assets are distributed. 3. Powers of attorney. Powers of attorney are legal documents that designate someone to make financial or healthcare decisions on behalf of an individual in the event of incapacity. In a blended family, it is important to designate a trusted individual to make decisions in case the individual is unable to do so. 4. Healthcare directives. Healthcare directives, such as a living will or healthcare power of attorney, outline an individual's wishes regarding medical treatment in case they are incapacitated. It is important to communicate these wishes with family members and ensure that the designated decision-maker understands and respects them. 5. Beneficiary designations. In addition to wills and trusts, it is important to review and update beneficiary designations on retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and other assets. This ensures that assets are distributed according to the individual's wishes and helps avoid conflicts in a blended family. 6. Guardianship designations. Individuals with minor children should designate a guardian in their estate plan to care for the children in case of their death. In a blended family, it is important to discuss and agree on guardianship arrangements with all parties involved. Creating and maintaining essential estate planning documents is crucial for individuals in blended families to protect their assets and loved ones. Consulting with an estate planning attorney can help individuals navigate the complexities of estate planning and ensure that their wishes are carried out effectively. Tailoring estate plans to meet the unique needs of blended families. Tailoring estate plans to meet the unique needs of blended families is crucial in ensuring that the wishes of all family members are considered and that potential conflicts are minimized. Blended families, which consist of spouses with children from previous relationships, often require more complex estate planning strategies to address the diverse interests and relationships involved. 1. Identifying family dynamics. The first step in tailoring estate plans for blended families is to thoroughly understand the family dynamics. This includes identifying relationships between spouses, children from previous marriages, stepchildren, and other family members. Understanding these dynamics will help in determining the most appropriate estate planning strategies. 2. Providing for spouses and children. One common goal of estate planning for blended families is to ensure that both the current spouse and children from previous relationships are provided for. This may involve setting up trusts, designating specific assets for certain family members, or creating a detailed plan for the distribution of assets. 3. Addressing potential conflicts. Blended families often face challenges related to inheritance, especially when there are stepchildren involved. To avoid potential conflicts, it is important to clearly outline how assets will be distributed and to communicate these decisions with all family members involved. 4. Utilizing trusts and other tools. Trusts can be valuable tools in estate planning for blended families. By setting up trusts, individuals can ensure that assets are managed and distributed according to their wishes, even after they pass away. Trusts can also provide protection for assets and help minimize estate taxes. 5. Considering pre- and post-nuptial agreements. Pre- and post-nuptial agreements can play a significant role in estate planning for blended families. These agreements can help clarify how assets will be divided in the event of divorce or death, providing a level of certainty and protection for all family members involved. 6. Updating beneficiary designations and wills. Regularly reviewing and updating beneficiary designations, wills, and other estate planning documents is essential for blended families. Changes in family dynamics, such as births, marriages, divorces, or deaths, may necessitate updates to ensure that the estate plan accurately reflects the current situation. 7. Seeking professional guidance. Given the complexity of estate planning for blended families, it is highly recommended to seek the advice of experienced estate planning attorneys and financial advisors. These professionals can provide valuable insights and help create a comprehensive estate plan that addresses the unique needs of blended families. Tailoring estate plans to meet the unique needs of blended families requires careful consideration of family dynamics, clear communication, utilization of appropriate tools such as trusts, and regular updates to estate planning documents. By taking these factors into account, individuals can ensure that their estate plan reflects their wishes and provides for all family members in a fair and equitable manner. Addressing issues such as stepchildren, ex-spouses, and distribution of assets. Estate planning for blended families involves unique challenges that require careful consideration and planning to ensure that the wishes of the deceased are carried out effectively and fairly. When addressing issues such as stepchildren, ex-spouses, and distribution of assets in a blended family, it is crucial to navigate complex family dynamics and potential conflicts to create a comprehensive estate plan that reflects the individual's intentions. Stepchildren. Stepchildren are often a significant consideration in estate planning for blended families. It is important to decide how stepchildren will be included in the estate plan, especially if they are not legally adopted by the step-parent. Clear communication and transparency are key to avoiding misunderstandings and resentment among family members. Considerations may include whether stepchildren will be treated equally with biological children, how assets will be divided among them, and what provisions can be put in place to ensure their financial well-being. Ex-spouses. Dealing with ex-spouses in estate planning can be particularly sensitive and complex, especially if there are children from the previous marriage involved. It is crucial to review and update beneficiary designations, wills, trusts, and other estate planning documents to ensure that assets are distributed according to the individual's current wishes. Considerations may include whether to remove the ex-spouse as a beneficiary, how to provide for any children from the previous marriage, and how to prevent potential disputes over assets. Distribution of assets. In blended families, the distribution of assets can be a source of tension and conflict if not handled carefully. It is essential to clearly outline how assets will be divided among family members to avoid ambiguity and confusion. Considerations may include whether to create a trust to provide for the surviving spouse and children, how to specify which assets will go to which beneficiaries, and how to address any specific bequests or conditions related to the distribution of assets. Addressing issues such as stepchildren, ex-spouses, and distribution of assets in estate planning for blended families requires thorough planning, open communication, and sensitivity to the unique dynamics of each family. By working with a knowledgeable estate planning attorney and discussing these issues openly with family members, individuals can create a comprehensive estate plan that reflects their wishes and minimizes the potential for disputes and conflicts among loved ones. As we close, let's reflect on what truly matters. Estate planning for blended families isn't just about distributing assets. It's about protecting the people you love, honoring your unique family dynamics, and creating a legacy of harmony and care. By crafting a comprehensive estate plan, you're taking a stand for fairness, foresight, and responsibility. You're ensuring that your wishes are clear, that your family's future is secure, and that potential conflicts are minimized before they arise. Think about the peace of mind you'll provide, not just for yourself, but for every member of your family. This is your opportunity to foster understanding, preserve relationships, and leave a legacy that reflects your values and priorities. Your family's story is unique, and your estate plan should be too. Take this as a powerful step toward ensuring that everyone you love feels seen, valued, and cared for. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, your thoughtful planning today can inspire unity and bring peace for generations to come. Let's build that legacy together. Your future starts here.